Bark, bark, bark. Okay. Oh, wait. It's hard, y'all. I can't read.
Hi.
Man, apparently they are free. Woo! Good morning. Welcome to day 3, which should be our final day of this trip. We woke up here in this beautiful, just awesome campsite that's right on the side of Hurricane Creek. You probably can't hear it in the video, even with my handy dandy, very professional microphone. But right behind us, there is a creek that ran, obviously it ran all night long, right? Because they don't turn it off at night. But we got to listen to it. It was soothing, just knocked right out. It was pretty awesome.
Very peaceful.
Yeah. Today, we are going to finish, I don't know, a third, a half, something like that, done with the Hurricane Creek Trail. That's where this campsite is. So we'll finish that trail. We're going to run up to Max Patch, I don't know, walk around in circles for a few minutes, and then go up to Buzzard Roost, and then find an interesting way home. So we'll get you views on that. You like this campsite? I think you said you put it into your Gaia.
Oh yeah, I plotted it on Gaia just because this was with the creek running right here. I mean, the amount of space you get. It's a beautiful campsite. One of my favorites so far.
Yeah, see? It's pretty awesome. I ain't gonna tell you where it is. It's like a third of the way through the hurricane. It's on the left-hand side, but I ain't gonna tell you. That's all mine, fishing or something. So that's it. We've got all our trash cleaned up. We left a little bit of wood for the next guy, and the previous guy left a tennis ball for the dog, so we're gonna leave it there too. And we will see you at the next stop, or at the, when we break or something.
Hopefully not.
Hey. So it's kind of hard to see from this angle, but I got myself set up a little too far to the right, and the left side was real slippery. In fact, all of the ground was real slippery. So as I approached that tree that you see in front of me, I actually hit a tree root and it kind of slid a little to the side. So I thought, all right, I'll just back up and do it again. And so you can see the result of backing up and doing it again, that just moved a little farther off to the right there. I could kind of see what was going on in my mirrors, but decided I'd hop out just to kind of take a look and really kind of estimate where we were at. In doing so back here, again, it's kind of hard to see from this angle, but right next to my foot right there is the absolute drop off into the creek, and it falls down 6 or 8 feet. Should the truck fall down, I don't think anybody's going to die, but good things aren't going to happen. Here's a better angle. You can see right there, I've got about 10 inches or so before the drop off. Just didn't know how strong the shoulder was right there. So I just kind of decided at this point, you know what? I've never used my winch before. I didn't know if I was ever going to use my winch. So why don't we just go ahead and bust out with the winch and let's see how this works out. So here I am hooking up a tow strap as a tree strap, because I haven't yet acquired a tree strap, but I think it kind of works the same. Just get you a little bit farther away from the tree on the strap, but it seems to work out okay. You do need to remember, however, when using the winch, when you pull the winch out, you loosen a little, I don't know, you call it a switch, or I guess a lever on the winch itself that releases the clutch so that you can grab the cable and pull it out to where you need to. And I was kind of too dumb to put that lever back into place, and so it's not working right now. So don't forget to flip that lever back. So while I was out here practicing on the winch, it just kind of rang through in my head how many guys that I hear that, oh no, you don't want to pull your winch, or somehow it's shameful or embarrassing to have to pull the winch. Really, I think we could have gotten the truck off the trail here just fine. If, hey Jay, you go stand behind me and make sure I don't fall off the edge. Just kind of keep an eye out for me. We could have got the truck out just fine. I just thought it was safer this way to kind of use the winch like an anchor and kind of get it out safely instead of risking falling down in. And what do they say about winch safety? Don't ever get too close to the cable, it'll cut you in half. Apparently Jay didn't get that manual or that book. I was yelling at him from the cab, but he wasn't listening to me. I think he finally caught on at one point. And then he backs up and he stands directly under the tree that's going to fall. So I had to yell at him about the tree, but again, I think we're going to make it all right. See? Simple. Easy. Nothing to it.
You're up, you're up.
I put the passenger tire here.
Okay.
Just let the driver do what it's going to do.
All right.
Go that way. Okay. That's the line.
Straight. Holy shit.
You're about to bump. Give it some go. Come on, come on. Okay. All right, so that will conclude today's winching lesson. Did you learn what you needed to learn about which line to take? I just wanted to show you guys that's what you need to do. Don't be afraid to stay too far to the left and just go right up the trail. You can just drive up it. You don't have to winch.
This is us driving up to Max Patch. We just got done with Hurricane Creek, and just basically a little dirt gravel road, bunch of dust, trying to get a little bit of distance from me and Chris, and I'll turn it back on when we get to Max Patch. But it's kind of just this boring, simple dirt road here, you know. I'll leave it on for a second.
Okay, so we are now we're at the base of Max Patch. We just finished up the Hurricane Creek Trail, and thankfully Jay was here with me. I got a little crossed up there. It was real slippery in one spot, and I just kept sliding off to the right, sliding off to the right, sliding off to the right, and we ended up pulling cable. But
Better be safe than sorry, though.
yeah, like I told him, that was the first time I'd ever been even so much as involved in pulling cable. Never winched out, never been part, my friends, nothing like that. But we got it done.
That was probably my second time involved with a winch job there too, so.
Yeah.
Both noobs.
But now, we're gonna go climb Max Patch. So probably the next time you see me, I'm gonna be laying on the ground and I'll be sweating profusely and I may vomit. Any type of exercise, probably not good for me. We'll see you at the top. Too much. It's not good for you. You only get so many heartbeats in your lifetime. You're wasting them right now. Whew. Oh, wait. Oh, look, I need to clean the lens. This is hard camera work. There. Please keep out. Some kind of tits up there or something.
hard, y'all. You know it's hard. You spend so many years, so much time of your life dedicated, hardworking, sitting on the couch, holding the couch down. I've got years, all that time watching YouTube. That's a good point. But I'm just not built for this. I'm built for being on the couch. That's where I have experience. Whew. Man. Right there. I made it.
So you just say the altitude on there?
I can't read.
High. Very high.
Ooh. I killed it. I didn't even sit down or nothing. Okay, folks. It's windy. This is Max Patch. And this is a tired dude. So as you come up to special, beautiful places like this, you always think, there's got to be a lesson to be learned from this. Like, look at all of this beauty. Where did my life go? And what have I done? And why am I such a horrible person? I think if I could bestow upon you the knowledge of my life and the places I've been and the things that I've seen, mostly I would say, don't be fat. Whew. Audio sync. Okay, so we are just kind of parked here on the side of the road. I'm going to go ahead and do something that we didn't do the last time that we were at Buzzard's Roost, which is right over here. And I'm going to go ahead and show you like kind of what it looks like, where it's at, the janky little trail to get down there. So that is the tree that will tell you where it is. See, it's all painted and it's all carved up and whatever. And there's the trail that you can trip and fall all the way down there if you so desire.
Keep rolling.
That's right. And I don't know, are you coming with, Marla?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's go for it.
Unless you want me to stay here and video you guys.
Video our demise. Audio sync. Stop laughing at me. And there it is, folks. Said it once before, I'll say it again. This is Buzzard's Roost. And there's the face of the woman that doesn't want to come out here.
Holy. It really is. I mean, you're straight down.
It really is. Like as of this point right now, I am no longer standing on the hill. I'm standing on a rock. And it sounds like there's a monkey down there. I don't think there should be a monkey. What do you think, Jay? You think there should be a monkey?
Be a monkey? I mean, I feel like it'd be kind of fitting. I feel like we're in the flipping Amazon with this overlook. Woo! Yeah.
That's up there, isn't it?
That's up there. Get a good one of these.
Woo!
Step off number 2. It's not quite as impressive. It's still out there though. It's pretty high. This is awesome. Badass coming here. So that's it. I mean, I don't know, you could probably, if you tried, you could probably hop down there and maybe climb out there, but this is about all the ground. This is about all there is to, you know, to do here at Buzzard Roost. But this is all the ground, and these are the last moments of Jay's life. Can you guys hear the monkey? Can you hear the monkey? I don't know why there's a monkey. Let me know in the comments. Do you think it was really a monkey? Mm-hmm.
Someone in the
Okay, so that's it. We are now home from that trip. I've got some barking puppies inside. I've been involved with plenty of wenches, but not winches. Oh, and apparently Marla is back. I thought she was out there freeing the turtles a minute ago, but apparently they are free.
Are you sure?
See, she's right over there.